Hey guys, Tech Mitchell with the video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix your iPhone portrait mode camera not working or if it's crashing on your iPhone constantly. So this is an issue that you might be facing, and there's a couple things you want to do to troubleshoot this issue, and hopefully by the end of the video that issue is resolved for you. So as you know, the portrait mode is a nice feature and a great way to enhance your photography skill, but sometimes when you try to take photos on it, it doesn't work, crashes, or freezes on you. So how do you fix this? Well, the first thing is go ahead and just simple as just sliding and closing out the app. So you'll slide upward, see the camera app is open. We're just gonna close it out and then launch it again. And what that does is a quick reload of the code. So if it's a software related issue, it will fix it for you. Now let's say it's still having the issue. The next thing you want to do is a force restart on your iPhone. So in order to do a force restart, you're going to press and release the volume up, followed by press and release the volume down. Finally, hold the side button until the screen goes completely black and you see the Apple logo appear. At that time, you'll let go of that button. So in practice, you'll do volume up, volume down, and then you hold the side button just like that. As you make sure when you press volume up followed by volume down, it's quickly, you just press and release, and then you hold your side button on your right hand side. Keep on holding it until the screen goes black, and you're not going to slide to power up because it'll be a normal shutdown. You want to wait to completely shut down and then reload with the Apple logo, and then you let go of that button. And what that does is a quick code shuts down and then reloads the code. So if there's a code related issue, bug impacting your iPhone, it will resolve it for you. Now after you have done that and you're still having an issue, the next thing you want to do is go into your setting of your iPhone, and this time we're going to go into the camera option. So here, as you can see here, there's quite a few options, but you should be able to find your camera setting here. So you click on camera setting. So click on the camera setting, right? You see a bunch of options here, but the option that we're interested is in portrait. So under portrait, you're going to turn this off and then turn it back on, and that kind of will help if there's any issues with the portrait mode, kind of help that with it as well. Now after you have done that and you're still having the issue, the next thing to do is a reset of all settings. So in the setting of your iPhone, you're going to go to general, all the way down here where it says transfer reset iPhone. You'll click on reset, and then we need to do a reset of all settings. Now these are the settings themselves. It will not delete any of your personal data, so all of your photos, videos will be safe. It'll reset things like network settings, like saved Wi-Fi password, any Bluetooth connected devices, any keyboard dictionary, custom home screen layout, and any location privacy settings. But it helps when it comes to troubleshooting the camera portrait mode not working. It takes about a minute or two to perform this reset of all settings. Finally, after you have done that and you're still having issue, it's time to check if there's an update out for the phone. In order to do that, again, you're going to be in your settings, you go to general, software update, and if there's an update out, it should appear right here, something like this, and you can click on update now. Now when you do any sort of update, I recommend giving yourself about half an hour to 45 minutes and make sure you're connected to a good strong Wi-Fi or cellular data, and your phone is at least 50% or more charged to successfully complete the update. And once you complete the update and follow through all these troubleshooting steps, I hope the portrait mode is working on your iPhone. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button. Also, if you found a better way to fix it as well, leave a comment in the comment section to share with everyone. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.